Hey guys, so this afternoon we've already installing two other 380 fully automatic car washing machines to Belarus.
Neon signs reflect on wet concrete. Walking slow along the river path, your silhouette looks so sweet.
They're just making sure all the packages are good.
Crowds of strangers rushing by. We don't care about the noise and the heat, just wanna watch the city side.
Because of only 2 units to Belarus, so that's why this is container is not. I guess it's like 20 cube. Not so big. And that's all for the others, other countries. And I will let you know where they're going. Two units to Belarus. The units of 380 plus, one of the plus, and the other one is ultra. Because there are so much heavy snowing and the mud, so to the Belarus, yes, they are much preferred about this 380 because the pressure of the water flushing is much more powerful, and it's suitable to their local ambient. 150 kilogram about the pressure of a flushing, so that's totally enough for the heavy snowing and the mud. And all these fully automatic car washing machines are peak, not because of all the prices, just only for your local ambient environment and humidity, or dry, or sand, or mud, or snowing. It depends on like that. So about the lower price, not really like you can see like a bad quality. It's not. Because of some countries, they don't really need to like a high power for clean the snowing. They only need to care about the kasuri, about the dust, and some like think of the mud and some sand. So if you don't know like how to choose the fully automatic car washing machines about the touchless, yeah, you can just leave it a message, and I will let you know how to choose. And of course you can just tell me all the budget, and I will let you know like how to choose the right machine to your place. Okay, here's a Hansa laser cleaning equipment factory, and I'm Zach. I hope to see you soon. Bye.